Top 3 foods you should be eating for breakfast to detox your kidneys. Are you conscious about your kidney health and interested in giving them a good detox? You've landed at the right place. Your kidneys are working overtime, day and night, filtering waste from your blood and keeping your body's balance just right. But sometimes, they need a little love and care too, and guess what? Your breakfast plate can be the perfect place to start. Did you know that certain foods are just amazing for your kidneys? They not only taste great, but also help in detoxifying these vital organs, ensuring they function smoothly. Now, who wouldn't want to kickstart their day with a nourishing meal that does wonders for their health? In this video titled, we're going to delve into these magical foods that can be your kidneys' best friends. Trust me, these are delicious, easy-to-incorporate choices that can make a big difference in your overall well-being. So grab a notepad and get ready to transform your breakfast menu in the most kidney-loving way possible. Let's dive in. Here are the top 3 foods you should be eating for breakfast to detox your kidneys. Number 3, watermelon. When you think of a refreshing summer fruit, watermelon probably comes to mind. But did you know that it can be an excellent food for detoxing the kidneys? That's right. Watermelon is primarily composed of water, around 92%, which makes it an excellent choice for keeping the body well hydrated. This hydration support is essential for the kidneys, as it aids in filtering waste from the blood efficiently. Watermelon's high water content helps flush the kidneys and promotes their overall health. But that's not all. Watermelon also contains potassium, an essential mineral that helps balance the sodium level in your blood, supporting healthy kidney function. Too much sodium can be hard on the kidneys, and potassium helps keep things in check. Another interesting thing about watermelon is its antioxidant content, particularly lycopene. This antioxidant has the potential to reduce oxidative damage to the kidneys, further protecting them and keeping them healthy. There are so many ways you can enjoy watermelon. You can eat it fresh as a snack, add it to a fruit salad, or even blend it into a chilled watermelon smoothie. Starting your day with watermelon can be an excellent and tasty way to support your kidneys. Number 2, cranberries. Now, let's talk about cranberries, another fruit that can be a superstar for kidney health. Cranberries are often associated with urinary tract health, and that's for a good reason. They contain unique compounds called A-type proanthocyanidins, PACs, which can prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls. This can reduce the risk of infections that might harm the kidneys. It's an incredible way that cranberries can protect this vital organ. Additionally, cranberries are rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants. These compounds can help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, which is a type of damage caused by free radicals in the body. The antioxidant power of cranberries can help neutralize these free radicals, ensuring that your kidneys remain healthy. One more thing to note about cranberries is that they are low in sodium and potassium. This makes them suitable for those on a kidney-friendly diet, especially if you have to watch your intake of these minerals. How can you enjoy cranberries? They can be enjoyed in various forms, such as fresh, dried, or as 100% cranberry juice with no added sugars. Mixing them into your breakfast, oatmeal, or cereal can be a tasty way to incorporate them into your morning meal, adding both flavor and health benefits. If you're looking for a tangy and nutritious addition to your breakfast, cranberries might just be the answer. By incorporating watermelon and cranberries into your daily routine, you are not only treating yourself to delicious and refreshing flavors, but also taking steps to support and detox your kidneys. It's a tasty way to start the day with health in mind. Number 1, cabbage. Cabbage is certainly not the typical breakfast choice, but it's a food that can be beneficial for kidney health. It's low in potassium and phosphorus, which is important for those with kidney issues. High levels of these minerals can be harmful to the kidneys, so foods that are naturally low in them can be a good addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Moreover, cabbage is high in fiber, which not only helps with digestion, but also aids in reducing the strain on the kidneys by assisting in the elimination of waste products. A well-functioning digestive system can help the kidneys perform more efficiently, and fiber plays a key role in that process. Adding to these benefits are the vitamins that cabbage contains. Specifically, vitamin K and vitamin C are present in this leafy vegetable, and they contribute to the overall health of the body, including the kidneys. Vitamin K is known for its role in blood clotting and bone health, while vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help protect cells, including those in the kidneys, from damage. Now you might wonder how to incorporate cabbage into your breakfast. While it may seem unconventional, there are some delicious ways to enjoy cabbage in the morning. You can make a tasty and nutritious breakfast salad with shredded cabbage, carrots, a sprinkle of nuts, and a light dressing. It's a refreshing and crunchy way to start your day, and you can even add some fruits like apple or pear for a touch of sweetness. If you prefer something warm, you can create a breakfast stir-fry with cabbage, other vegetables, and some protein like tofu or eggs. Season it with herbs and spices to your taste, and you've got a nourishing and satisfying breakfast dish that's friendly to your kidneys. Including cabbage in your morning meal not only adds variety to your diet, but also provides a unique combination of nutrients that can support kidney health. While cabbage may not replace the traditional breakfast favorites, it offers an opportunity to explore new flavors and textures while focusing on the well-being of your kidneys. Remember, as with any dietary change, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider to ensure that it aligns with your specific health needs and conditions. In conclusion, detoxing the kidneys is an important aspect of maintaining overall health, and certain foods can play a key role in this process. Foods like watermelon, cranberries, and cabbage are not just tasty. They contain vital nutrients and compounds that support the kidneys in different ways. Watermelon, with its high water content, helps keep the body well hydrated and aids in flushing the kidneys. Cranberries, with their unique compounds and antioxidants, protect against infections and oxidative stress. Cabbage, being low in potassium and phosphorus and high in fiber and vitamins, provides an unconventional but valuable addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Are you curious about incorporating some tasty and nutritious options into your daily routine? Let's explore the simple and delightful idea of a watermelon and cranberry breakfast smoothie. Here's how to whip it up. Grab these ingredients: a cup of fresh watermelon cubes, half a cup of fresh or frozen cranberries, half a cup of unsweetened cranberry juice, half a banana. It'll make it creamy. Maybe a handful of fresh mint leaves if you like, and some ice cubes if you need them. Ready to blend? Let's do it. Start by tossing the watermelon, cranberries, cranberry juice, banana, and those mint leaves if you're using them into a blender. Hit that blend button and make it smooth. If it's not quite the consistency you want, add some ice cubes until it's just right. Now pour it into a glass, and if you want to get fancy, garnish it with a mint leaf or even a slice of watermelon. And there you have it. This smoothie not only offers the hydration benefits of watermelon, but also the urinary tract support of cranberries. Together, these fruits create a flavorful and nourishing breakfast option that's perfect for anyone interested in detoxing their kidneys. You might be wondering, why watermelon and cranberries? As discussed earlier, watermelon provides incredible hydration support essential for the kidneys, thanks to its high water content. It also contains potassium, which helps balance the sodium level in your blood, supporting healthy kidney function. Cranberries, on the other hand, are well known for their positive effects on urinary tract health. The unique compounds in cranberries, such as A-type proanthocyanidins, PACs, can prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of infections that might harm the kidneys. Plus, they're rich in antioxidants and low in sodium and potassium, making them an excellent choice for kidney health. Starting your day with this watermelon and cranberry breakfast smoothie can be a delightful, tasty way to support and detox your kidneys. It's easy to prepare, refreshing, and packed with nutrients specifically chosen for their beneficial effects on these essential organs. Why not give it a try tomorrow morning? Your kidneys might just thank you.